The iPhone 15 Pro Max is coming with significant performance and color changes. We've received a tweet from Majinbu on Twitter in which he advises that the Apple event for the new iPhones and watches will be held on September 12th, and while he admits that he can't be 100% certain of the information, if it's true, then the official invites will be coming out any minute. We have news that Apple will sell a 1.8-meter USB-C data transmission cable for the iPhone 15 Pro models, capable of USB for speeds of up to 40 gigabits per second and charging speeds of up to 100 watts. Majinbu also mentions that the non-Pro models would, of course, come with a USB-C cable, but it will be a USB 2 with speeds of 480 megabytes per second, which is precisely the same as the present Lightning cable that we have. We uncovered code in the newest iOS 17 beta that offers us additional information on the new action button that will be shown in the iPhone 15 Pro models. According to Mac Rumors, the iPhone 15 and iPhone 15 Plus will have a choice of midnight black, starlight white, yellow, or blue, with the final color being either orange or coral pink. This is good news for the whole iPhone 15 range. When it comes to the iPhone 15 Pro and iPhone 15 Pro Max, which have a color choice of dark blue, silver gray, space black, and natural titanium, it seems that the first speculations of a ruby red iPhone 15 were incorrect. There are also reports that the iPhone 15 Pro Max will be renamed the iPhone 15 Ultra. This makes sense considering that it is the biggest and most expensive model in the series, and it also aligns with the Apple Watch models. Another new report claims that there have been issues with the camera component supplier for the iPhone 15 Pro Max only, and while all phones will be released on September 12th, there may be delays in the iPhone 15 Pro Max's actual release date, and users may have to wait up to 4 weeks longer for the phone. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.